Hello everyone. So I just checked out. What a big dog. Okay, so I just checked out Val's gift. He gave me all the medium, guys. Good lord. This one is good. It's not easy being the best wife ever. But here I am, nailing it. That's what he said. I'm not sure, but maybe. The big dog is just watching me. Huh? Yeah, I can wear this in the bed. It's cold. It should be long sleeve. Well, that one is a long sleeve. This one is a long sleeve. Here you go. Yes! I'm always freezing. Me. 24/7. I think that's me. This one is big. Medium. Well, I don't mind.
Well,
still.
that big, the one that's for the warm, let's return that. That's too big for you. Wait, that's huge.
This is huge. No, I think it's fine. Yep, I think this is fine. I'm not going to wear that. Oh, well, I can wear it anyway. And this is the pants. Oh yes, you're right. This is too big. The pants is too big. The clothes is fine if it's big, but the pants is big. Nope. Okay. You can bring it back. Ask for small. Ask for small, Val. Okay, this is from Melody. This with her message. Oh, it's so cute. Hope you're up to your whiskers in fun. That's a cute cat. See? That looks like Spooky Meow Meow. And happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day full of celebrations. Your friend Melody. She's so sweet. Thank you, Melody. You're just so sweet. Wow, sleepy. And she gave me this one. I like the earrings. Wait a second. I should try that. Yeah. Well, I guess I have to make a vlog. Been a long time I didn't do the vlog. Right? Flag. Good boy, Hub. You're just watching me. Nice. That looks nice. Oops. Okay. That's cool. This one is a sweater. There you go. It's kind of long. Nice color too. Give me a second. Yep, this is pretty long. There you go. Oh, this looks warm. Nice. This is good for the fall time. Yep. Thank you. Okay, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Look at big dog right there. Where's the big dog? It's hiding. It's hiding, the big dog. It's right there. The big dog wants to come in. Okay, now there's another one that Val gives to me. This is so funny. Guess what it is? Ta-da! A mug. Give me a mug. And then you can read it. I just want to touch your butt all the time. That's me and that's him. I think this is wrong. I think this is me and this is him. Why is it like that though? This is pretty funny. Duh. I just want accent mark. Nice. Thank you, Val. You're so sweet. Okay. That way. I'm not sure what they give me a gift anyway. But thank you. Look how sweet. Who is this? There's no name. Baka mamaya walang lam. Oh, kay Mafi tsaka pala kay Bill pala to. Okay, wishing you happiness because it's your birthday. Wishing you big dreams because you deserve to have them come true. Wishing you exciting days and restful ones because a great year is made of both. Happy birthday, Ems. Hope you enjoy your special day. Wishing you more health and more birthday to come. God bless you. God bless. Love you. Love, Muffy and Bill. Oh, maganda yung sulat ni Muffy ah. Oh, pareha ka ng sulat. Char, maganda. Thank you, Muffy and Bill. Ano naman to? Ako mamaya pa, inom ay, inom na ata ko ito ah. I think I'm gonna go drunk. How did she put this one? Muffy. Oh, there you go. O, akala ko inumin ba to? Ow! Pang winter! Body wash talaga siya, Day. Thank you, Day. Gusto mo na lang maligo, Day, ha? Nangamoy na si Inday. Grabe, nahanap niya yung paborito ko, Neutrogena. Kalisto mo, Day. Good job, Day. You find the one that I want. Oh, may chocolate pa. Thank you, Day. Okay, ito na mga sunod. Grabe rin ito nasulat. Yung mga taong ito mahilig na ano. Mahilig magsulat. For someone special on your birthday. Oh, that's cute. Jolly boy, stop it. Hi Gaba, happiest birthday. Kahit bago ka pa namin nakilala, pero feel na mo, dugan ka na mo na friend. Nice, thank you. Thank you for being such a nice friend to us. Stay pretty, bisan lulid na. Lulid na nga agad. Tumarbaho, day. I love you, Guaps. Enjoy your special day, Darlene. Oh, thank you, Darlene. Ems, a rose can help but bring happiness. That's just the way a rose is. That's true. And that's just the way that you are true. Thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday din. Parehas sa birth month. Thank you so much. Salamatan muna natin yung mga mga sponsor. Sponsor. Oh, wow. Oh, ang bango nito. That's cool. Nice. This smells good. Bath and Body Works. Winter Golden Pear. Uy, ang bango nito. This smells good. Thank you, Rai. That's wonderful. Bigat naman ito. Ay. Ano ba yan? Pinapaligo na ata. Do you want me to take a bath? Thank you. Hub, you need to take a bath, dude. You smells like a dog. Look how big this dog is. Just listening. Oh. What you looking at? Did you see yourself? Mr. Big Nose? Did you see yourself? Yeah? You better stay there. Yeah, na, nag-aw-aw na. I don't want. Okay, what is this? This cloth. Ooh, sounds nice. Let's open.
What?
That's a nice drawing. Hope. See? Nice. Peace. That's a good word. Joy to the world. Noel. Noel. Thank you. Okay, and I want to say thank you to the flowers. And guys, this is from Aloma and Darlene. Thank you. And for the cake, ang bango ng flowers, guys. Yeah, thank you so much. This is so pretty. Mas malaki pa sa akin. Yeah, this is huge. Bigger than me. O, diba? Ang ganda ng bulaklak, guys. Aray ko, Ginoo, ang bigat. Bye, everybody.